In today's video, I will be teaching you 1 minute simple yoga exercises to reduce your breast fat and lift up your breast size. Also, tighten your saggy breasts. Out of all the exercises you would have ever tried, this is the mother of all exercises, absolutely centuries old practice in India known as yoga. Yoga is where all forms of exercises have originated from. So why not try the original and reap the maximum benefits that we can? Super easy, simple and most effective exercises. And after seeing these exercises while you're doing it along with me, you will actually realize how come you didn't know about it earlier, because these are so easy and beginner friendly. Even though we are completely perfect just the way we are, there shouldn't be any need to change, but our physical attribute can be a little overbearing and it can cause some medical issues, especially people with heavy breasts. They often have a neck pain, back pain, bad posture problem, a drooping posture, and they even get rashes under their breasts. So girls, if you have a heavy breast size and feel lack of confidence, it is time now to change your life. Come along, exercise with me every single day. I will motivate you to achieve your best. Yoga is an ancient practice which is very effective, but only when practiced with the right technique. So you need to follow along while doing these exercises with me so you know exactly where you might be going wrong, because I will be teaching you the right breathing technique and the correct posture for these very exercises. What are we waiting for? Let's begin these very simple 1 minute breast fat yoga exercises. Begin the first exercise. You're going to place your hands on the shoulder like this, rotate it clockwise, and make sure to keep your spine absolutely straight and try and make as big a circle as you can. Now let's do it anti-clockwise. Again, keep your spine straight. Your posture should be absolutely correct and keep your breathing normal. Now it's time to relax. Let's lock our palms behind our back and bend forward like this. Just keep your breathing normal for the next 5 seconds before we begin the next exercise. For the next exercise, again we're gonna lock our palms, inhale completely and stretch our spine upwards, and then breathe out. Again, breathe in completely. Take your hands up and stretch your spine and all the way up as much as you can. For the next exercise, you're going to place one hand on the floor and the other hand above you, touching your ears. Make sure your hand is absolutely straight without bending your elbows, keeping your spine straight at all times. It's a very effective exercise. For the next exercise, we're going to lay completely straight on the floor and our palms right next to our chest. You're going to inhale completely and come up like this. Look up to the ceiling with your spine straight, stretched backwards. Then come down while you exhale. For 2 counts, we're going to keep our palms next to our chest and then we are going to bring it next to our face. Now we're going to extend our hands and then again repeat this action. This is the Bhujangasana, which is very helpful in tightening and toning your breast. Next exercise, we are going to do the famous Ushtrasana or the camel pose. This is how you have to stretch. You have to sit on your knees and try to hold your feet. It's a very effective asana. You have to keep your breathing absolutely normal while you are performing this asana and try to hold in this position for as long as you can. I hope you enjoyed today's video, but do remember one thing, a healthy diet will go a very long way if you're looking for permanent weight loss results. These tightening and toning exercises will surely help, but if you're looking for a paid, customized diet plan suiting to your body type, made only for you, keeping all your preferences in mind, then do contact me on the number given below, and I'm also sharing my email ID. And I'll see you soon with many more exciting and informative videos. Until then, take care.